Good morning and namaskar. This is your presenter Sujoy Sarkar of Ekal Yatri has Sujoy. And today is 22nd December 2021 and I am at the Sri Sri Ma Tarini temple of Ghatagaon in Keonjhar district of our incredible Odisha. This is the place where I have taken the accommodation for the night stay yesterday, and today I will be staying here only, and I will be starting my return trip to Bhubaneswar tomorrow morning hours solely with my Hercules Street Rider. Today I will be performing I beg your pardon, I will be offering my prayer and puja to Sri Sri Ma Tarini at the temple. So I am staying very near to the temple. The devotees from all over the country and Odisha are coming here to say their prayers and offer the puja. After half an hour or so, I will be visiting the temple. Yesterday, I reached here late evening hours as my Hercules Street Rider didn't roll on the highway for 18 kilometers and I had to walk carrying my Hercules Street Rider. And when I reached here, it was almost dark. Let me go and find out some cycle technician. Yes, yes.
कौन सा मतलब
एकल यात्री है सुजय.
कौन सा
एकल यात्री है सुजय. एकल एकल EKALYATRI hash Sujoy SUJOY. Okay, have a nice day. So let me move. Jai Ma Tarini. These are the puja stalls where the devotees can purchase the puja material to say their prayers and offer the puja at the temple. Path is a bit narrow, but it's okay. In the pilgrimage places, it is almost the similar, but the enthusiasm is lot. Everybody is curiously asking which channel, where are you from, why you have used the Hercules Street Rider instead of any other vehicle, like that. the temple. I just replied in a sentence, or you can say in few words, that I am interested. These are the stalls. Where the devotees can purchase the puja materials. Nice place. Some refreshment stalls are here also near the temple. Cool morning hours of 22nd December. Go, go. Oh. Let me search for the bicycle technician. From this way I have come, and this way goes to Keonjhar, the district headquarters of the Keonjhar district, and I am at Ghata Gaon. And I will be visiting today Sri Sri Ma Tarini temple, the famous Ma Tarini temple of our incredible Odisha. I must be careful. Huge rush is here. The devotees are curiously waiting for their turn to say their prayers and offer puja at the temple. The stalls, everywhere the stalls are here, where the devotees can purchase the puja materials, as it is a pilgrimage place. Yes, this is the gate number 3 from where the devotees will be allowed to enter inside, strictly following the COVID-19 protocols. Yes, I have ensured from the authority that the videography and photography is not admissible inside the temple premise. So I shall not be able to show the inside view of the temple. In the early morning hours, the attendance of the devotees was very thin. But as the time passes, the intensity increase is there. I shall be purchasing the puja material from the stalls. It's a tradition that we used to offer coconut to Ma Tarini with other prasad as well. So let me purchase the puja material. I should get down. Today in the early morning hours I had some moderately hot tea. I won't be taking any food, any other food, as I'll be saying prayer and offering puja to Ma Tarini. A cool morning hours. Let me park my cycle a suitable place. Yeah, I need to go. Let me ask the shop owner the prices, then I'll purchase. Right? भाई नोडिया केते 25 आपणकर ओहो अच्छा नो अच्छा ये सब मिसिकी अच्छी ये 25 टंका और एथरे किछि नहीं खाली खाली नोडिया और से कपड़ा एथरे धूप अच्छी सिंदूर अच्छी और ये कपड़ा अच्छी कपड़ा कोन चूड़ी 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 भी अच्छी अच्छा यहाँ कौन एमती यहाँ कौन छड़ाई दिखती कि एमती दिखती कोरोना कटका से एमती दौरान आमती भोग हो पाने ना हाँ 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 ये दौरान लगा अच्छा ये भीतर को जाऊनी कि भीतर को नहीं खाली बाहर भीतर खाली दर्शन करने जी अच्छा दर्शन कर पड़े आसबे ओहो अच्छा अब ये सुखिला भोग कौन अच्छी नोडिया लड्डू केते ये नोडिया लड्डू तो केते 20 टंका ये सब 20 टंका ना कौन 20 टंका भी 10टा अच्छा अपन पाखे ये अच्छी कि नोडिया तेल ये केते ओहो जीवा बेलू नहीं जी कहीं नहीं जन मत कहते नया पे अच्छा मिसिकी भोग हेनी कि मैंने मिसिकी दिखती जमी आम लिंगराज रे जगन्नाथ मंदिर रे काकटपुर मंगला कालीजाई टेम्पल सेमती मिसिकी केते पड़ुची सेटा हाँ सेमती नहीं से जो गोटे ये रे दिखती आपणकर हाँ आहा से मत तीन टा सेटा ए जो आपणकर तीन टा हाँ हाँ तीन टा भोग नेबी नड़िया आपणकर दुईटा ए जो नड़िया लड्डू दुईटा हाँ ମୁଁ ଦଉଛି ପଇସା ଦଉଛି so I will be purchasing 3 coconuts along with the bangles, the sindoor we say, and the holy cloth that will be offered to Sri Sri Ma Tarini along with some other prasad also. And let me visit. कर दियंतु मते मते कर दियंतु तीनटा सेटा नड़िया और नड़िया लड्डू दुईटा 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 पैकेट सफिशिएंट माने मिसिकी भोग एथिले भलो ही थांता এইটা কেতে 10 টাকা हाँ এইটা দুইটা দিয়ে দেবে ছোট প্যাকেট নকুল দানা নাই এটা কেতে এটা গোটা দিয়ে দিয়ন্তু এইটা দুইটা हाँ এইটা দুইটা केते हला हाँ अरे सेटा मु नेली बा एटा सेटा तीनटा हाँ हाँ तो आपण को सेटा अलगा से चूड़ी अच्छी तो सब थे तीनटा रे चूड़ी सिंदूर सब अच्छी तो हाँ हाँ से तो आपण से एका रेट नौ ना एतरे सिंदूर कोठी ए धूप तो नहीं आ भितर अच्छी ओ हाँ हाँ अच्छी अच्छी So after some time I'll be going inside the temple and say my prayers there, offer the puja to Sri Sri Ma Tarini and have her kind blessings for all of us. It's a nice and a good thing that we are here all and gracious and feeling blessed. I mean to say that I have a feel of bliss that I am being blessed by Sri Sri Ma Tarini. A huge footfall is here from all over Odisha and our incredible India. The videography and photography inside the temple complex is not admissible, so I won't be able to show the inside view of the temple. and the management is strictly following the COVID-19 protocols. So all the devotees they have to wear the face mask, sanitize their hands, keep a distance, so that they won't be infected with the COVID-19. So we need to make sure. କେତେ ହେଲା all total? ଫୁଲ ନାହିଁ କି? ଫୁଲ ଦେଉନାହାନ୍ତି କି? ନେଉଛନ୍ତି କି? ମାନେ ଡିଭୋଟିସ୍ ମାନେ ନେଉଛନ୍ତି, ଭକ୍ତମାନେ ନେଉଛନ୍ତି ଫୁଲ?
ଦରକାର ବି ନେଇପାରିବେ, ନହେଲେ ନାହିଁ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା,
ସବୁ ହଣ୍ଡିରେ ଯିବ ଆଉ। ଏଟା ହଣ୍ଡିରେ ପକେଇବେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଭିତରକୁ ନୁହଁ।
ଓହୋ ହୋ। So I have taken 3 coconuts to offer Ma Tarini, one for me, another 2 for our relatives in Bhubaneswar. They have asked me to offer on behalf of them. Thank you. Thank you. So friends, that's all for now, and I will be moving inside the temple to say my prayer to Ma Tarini and offer the puja, including the coconuts. So join me in my travel with Hercules Spirit Rider at Ekal Yatri has Sujoy, and I am your presenter Sujoy Sarkar. Stay happy, stay blessed, stay healthy, and enjoy my travel at Ekal Yatri has Sujoy every day. My next trip is to Sri Sri Neelamadhava Temple, Contilo, solely with my Hercules Spirit Rider at Nayagarh district from Bhubaneswar on 5th January 2022. That's all for now. Thank you. Bye.